You do it. Get suited up,
Ma'am,
buddy.
I told you this is perfectly safe. No, come with me. Listen, it's time. You can't.
Get your hands and your mitts off her. Oh, 𝙎-𝙎𝙎𝙬𝙎. Oh no! They're in the same womb.
Oh!
Okay, now we choose.
Okay, I'm on this side.
Boy.
I'm Zoe.
Neo.
You
again? Writing it.
Yeah, writing on walls.
Who knows? It can be everything. Anything.
Let's hope there's a plan to safely separate us and return me back to my story. I wouldn't bet on it.
Hey, check this out.
Because you blew your shot to get published doesn't mean that I have
monkey!
No.
I'm faster, monkey.
I just don't know.
Hey, no! I was trying to be seductive. Okay.
Oh, you were trying to do something there.
Yes, I was. That's. It doesn't matter.
Oh.
It doesn't matter.
It didn't quite come across, but I can. Now that you told me, I can pay attention to it in that way. They're partying.
Oh, if you look a little closer.
Socializing.
What would you call a gathering of ogres, Kiara?
I was hoping chat would give us a good word for it.
Or like a pun or something like that? Alright, you guys do the work for us. Ogre party! Ogre party!
Bad news.
Well, what would happen if I just jumped in there?
An orgy!
An ogre! Stop it! Stop it!
An orgy! Ogre tea! I don't know. That's so good! That's so good!
I'm out of here. Ooh.
A few moments later.
I didn't even notice at all. Oh, 𝙎-𝙎𝙬𝙀!
What the hell is that?
Oh shit! Here we go again.
Whoa, why are you?
It's like an ogre gathering except with sharks.
Oh, here we are. Okay.
A shorge. Never mind.
So what's going on in
There's
here?
no good name for
Why
that.
are we in an hourglass?
Were you gonna say short
like they say, time
Short
heals all. And what about the sharks then?
It doesn't even work.
I haven't
It's
figured
not
that
even.
out yet.
It doesn't
I'm
even.
excited.
No, it's a. You know
It
what
doesn't
it
even
is?
halfway work.
It's,
What?
it's
What is
instead
it?
of a party, it's a sharky. Sharky. A shardy?
Shark.
Alright, that sounds wrong. Everything sounds wrong, Calli. Everything is wrong.
I'm sorry, but holy shit. Do you know what that word means?
I think so. I think it's like poop, right? Poop.
I'm not 12. I'm not 12. I'm not a 12-year-old.
We can live a fun piggy life. There's so much shit here.
I think I'm
The story that's awesome.
We'll make super pig in no time.
Are you seeing this?
You want to know what my power is?
Oh.
Boing boing.
Oh, I guess. Okay.
Come over here, Kiara.
Yeah, fart. Here's my reaction to it.
Magical rainbow farts are truly the best farts.
Awesome. This is truly an Adam Sandler movie now. channeling my inner Adam Sandler.
Oh my God, Calli. You.
No, they probably
stink!
smell great. There are there are rainbows. Look, there are rainbows coming out of my butt.
I guess so.
That's
I just see
awesome.
them.
At least it's not
Wallow in the
Wait,
mud.
who's that other pig
yes.
you're in the mud with? What the heck? Wait, there's several pigs
I
there.
know. They don't smell half as good as I do with rainbows coming out of my ass.